That $40 payment feels tiny. But your brain forgets you're still buying a $1,500 phone.
Monthly payments hide the real cost, and that's exactly why they work so well.
Your brain focuses on the monthly bill, not the $72,000 price tag.
Always calculate the full price first, then decide if the monthly payment is truly worth it. One payment feels harmless, but 5 small payments can quietly destroy your monthly budget. Always multiply monthly payments by 12. The real number might shock you.
Companies sell monthly payments because they know your brain loves smaller numbers. Smart buyers compare the total cost, not just the monthly payment.
Paying later feels easier today, but saving first gives you real financial freedom tomorrow. Before saying yes to any monthly payment, ask yourself one question: what's the total price?